Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So last class we saw about Microsoft PowerPoint basic introduction. So in today's video we'll be discussing about master slide. So what is master slide, how to use master slide, and what is the advantage of making a master slide? So that I'm going to discuss in this video. So let's start with a new presentation and then we'll go for stage by stage steps to be followed. So once you open Microsoft PowerPoint, so you get this home tab, insert, draw, design, transitions. Over here when you go to view, so once you go to the view button, okay, so go for the view button, so click for view, and once you click on view you have a master slide. So make sure that this is the step you want to follow. So go to the view button and then follow for master slide. So this way we can identify where is the master slide is available in Microsoft PowerPoint. So I repeat again, so this will be a step number 1, go to the view, and step number 2 will be your master slide. So remember this part. So now once you enter to the master slide, so what's happened here? So click on the master slide. So immediately the PowerPoint shows you a set of slides. So near about 10 to 11 slides will be ready. So you should understand what is this slides and how to use these slides properly. So last class I said we use basically a blank slide, but if you are very comfortable with a master slide, then your PowerPoint presentation will be easy and you can easily understand this part. So if you go to this master slide, so first part, if you see, it's very clearly written master slide title style. So you want to enter the title of the PPT, and you also have the various level of fonts which you can control with your various size. If you click on this, you can see the font size and different levels are maintained. So you can all control this part. The next part which you want to understand, so when you go to the next slide, automatically it also shows some must subtitle, and you can also see the footer is present, slide number is present, and date is also available. So all these are the things which is controlled in master slide. The next part is, this is the important point, so where you see for the content. So over here if you see the content, so all this content which you see, it's highly useful when you make a PPT. So what this content is saying, so this content is saying about your table, your chart, or any smart draw you want to keep, or any pictures or any web pictures you want to create, or you want to add some videos or 3D images. So all this we can do it in your master slides. So these are the options which is available in master slide. So today we are going to create our own master slide. So someone want to add a logo, so you want to create some logos, and then how you want to perform in a presentation. So all these things will be easy. So you don't want to add a logo again and again in every slides. So it's one time, once you create in a particular slide, it will be repeated in the master slide. So these are the things. So again here this is a blank slide. So over here again you can see two contents are available. On left side you can see this title, or you can add some pictures or styles. Again here you can add some content or graph or any tables. So various slides are given provided by PowerPoint. So let's see what is that. So how to start with this master slide. So click on this part. So over here you should understand again two things. One is your insert master slide. Another one is called insert layout. So two things are again there. So one is called master slide, another one is called layout. So presently we are in number 1, that is in master slide. So we are already in master style and we are already having a master slides. So these are the slides. So we already have near about 10 to 11 master slides are there. So availability of 10 to 11 master slides are already available. Right. Now what is this layout? So suppose I want to add one more slide to my current master slide. So then I'll go for layout. So automatically it creates a layout. So once you create this layout, here immediately you can see the next part, insert placeholders are there. So what is this placeholders and insert part? So once you click on this insert part, so you can see here the content, text, pictures, chart, table, smart draw, and again media and online images. So which one you want? I need to insert a chart in this particular slide. So I click my chart, I'll put my chart over here. So once I close my master slide and make my slide, so immediately I can insert the chart over here. Again I repeat. So now let me add one more part. So going back, I'll add my part. So you want to add some hand notes, all these things is available in this part. Okay, so once you go here, now you can see a graph. So this is a custom layout. So I click this, so you can see the chart is ready. So it will ask you which type of chart to be inserted in the PowerPoint presentation, right? So going back again, so view, master slide. So now I need to add one more slide here, but I need some table to be placed in my PowerPoint. So again go to the place, tables. So you can click table. So you can draw somewhere, and this is my table going to be created. So I'll just go back, close it. Now I just go here, a new custom layout. Again you can rename, you can add the name to it. So you can see the table. So how many rows and how many columns is required, we can simply insert the table. So table will be created here. So these are the way how master slide is working, right? Let's move for further step. So suppose I want to add some logo in my presentation, and that logo should be carried out in entire slides of my presentation. Example, so I'm just going to add some logo here. So let's have some sample logos. So I'm going to copy this logo. I'm just going to paste it in this part. Okay, so I need to carry forward this logo in every slide. So what people generally do, we copy this, again we go to the new slide, we insert a new slide or blank slide, again we will place, again you will put a new slide, you will be keep on doing it. So it's time consuming. So don't do this way. So what we want to do, use master slide. So go there, insert a slide, particular slide, whichever type you need, add your logos, your work will be much easy, right? Let me teach you right now. Okay, so go for this part. So let me undo it. Okay, now I go to the review and slide master. So we are back to the slide master. So wherever you want a logo, so I want to paste that logo here. So again, just copy, you can copy this logos, copy the logo and go to the PowerPoint, you can place it. So now I have placed my logo over here. This is particularly the introduction slide or the first slide which we have. So I'm just going to copy this, I'm just going to put it in second slide also. Now I need some blank slides, So let me insert a layout with blank. I'm just going to delete all these things. You can delete it if you don't want this part. Okay, so now I'm again pasting the logo. So my logos are placed in first 3 slides. So similarly you can do for all the other slides also if you require. Okay, so now logo is placed in the slides. I'm just going to close this part. So once you close it, so now the logo is not visible to, right? So because we are not inserted the slides. So how to do that? So just now go to the new slide. Now if you see the first title slide and title and content and custom slide, so you can see clearly the logos are present over here. So click it. Now see this, you can't move it or you can't resize it because already we fixed this logo in the slide master. So that's way we can create a logo in every slide. So I hope this is clear. Similarly, you want to go for create a content. So next you get a second logo. Suppose you want to change the position of logo, then again you need to go to view, slide master. You need to change the positions to opposite side. So if it is required, then close it. Now automatically the slide will be changed here only in that particular slide. So rest other slides remain same. So now only in the content and title the logo is on left side bottom. Other than that you have on right side top corner we place the logos. So right, so these are the way. Again you want to fix some font size to be fixed. That also you can do in master slide. Again go back to view, master slide. Suppose I need to fix this slide font size, right? So I want to make it as bold and Times New Roman. Again go back to home, you can fix your slides of what is the font size you need. I need to make bold, then I want to make it as Times New Roman. So click it. So this is the style I want for my title. Other than that, my name, again I want to make this font size as 44, italic, and I'm just going to make again Times New Roman, or you want some other fonts, you can follow it. Right, so I have edited this part. Coming to the content, so all this content I need it in Times New Roman. So this is going to be 24. So this is how I say to my students, when you make some PPT, make sure that your font size is uniform, your font size, style is uniform, so it should not be variation in the slides. So somewhere it is not aligned properly, somewhere the font size will be very big and small. So don't make this kind of PPTs. So use master slide, make your PowerPoint presentation as much easier, right? So again over here, so once time we will do it. So now you can say this part. So here might be a question. So the question might be, we need to create it again and again every time of your PowerPoint slides. No, you can save this as a template, or you can save it as a user style. So whenever you want to do next presentation, you can carry forward this presentation again. Or you want to create some templates, which is also available from themes. You can download from Microsoft website for PowerPoint presentation themes. Right. The next part which you want to know is all about the background colors. So everybody wants some attractive colors for the backgrounds. So we go for some attractive backgrounds, all right. So just go for the view again, slide master. So over here you can see some kind of backgrounds options. So once you click on this part, so you can go and select the background colors. So let's go for normal, and you can create the themes over here. So let's go for it. Right, so colors are there, so you can open this colors, so you can adjust the colors for the styles. So let me start with the backgrounds now. Okay, so start with background. So go to design, so format background. So once you click on the format background, as a last class I also discussed about this part. So gradients, pictures, and patterns, all this part. So you can fix for all slides, or you want to reset the backgrounds, you can reset it. So all these things we can control over here. Right, the next part which you want to know is all about your slide master again. So click on the slide masters. So here is the themes. So there are a number of themes are available in PowerPoint presentation. You can also download from online websites. And other than that, background colors. So you want to format some background colors, so one and one is the same. So you can control over here in master slides also. So whatever the colors you need, you can adjust the color themes. So different color shades are there. You can control these colors. Right. The next, again, fonts. Different fonts are available. You can control with the fonts also. So these are the main things part. Then you want to add some footers. So you can add some footers, your name. So you want to have your names in every slides. So this way we can add it. So automatically the slide number will be generated. Then title. So every slides you want to create a title or project name. So this also is optional for you. Okay. So you want to rename this particular slide, you can rename this. So by default it is showing layout name. So you can create a blank, or you can create a blank 02. So rename it. So this way we can easily identify which slide is required for our presentation. Okay, so all this works how? So when you are very comfortable with this part, so for example I will show you some sample files. So example, here we see this file. So this is some pictures and this is my logo. So everywhere we have placed our logos in continuation of your presentations slides. So this way we can have some sample example. Other than that, few example, you are creating some greetings. So you want to create some greetings, or for a festival time you want to send to your friends. So again I use PowerPoint presentation as very simple to use. So click some photos, add your names, then again add some pictures. So there is a logo. So everywhere we can add this kind of simple images and create your own greeting cards, and you can use it. Okay, so next, another image sample. So you want to create some good morning greetings. So this way we can create a wonderful PowerPoint presentation, so which all you can create with the part. so moving again back, you want to add some GIF or you want to add some online pictures. So let me teach you how to add online pictures and online GIFs. So go for blank. So once you go for blank, go to the insert. So they are here some interesting features are there in Microsoft PowerPoint. So that is your shapes. So you can play with the shapes with the different kind of combinations. For example, so you want to create some shape like this, okay, and I have some pictures. I want to copy some pictures. So let's go back to the picture. Now this picture I want to be placed inside this. So two way you can do. One is click it, you can go to shape format, go for shape fill. Here is option called picture. So in this manner also you can do. I repeat again. So you can go for shape fill. So once you click on the shape fill, so there you have again pictures. So this is the method one. You can use some same shape pictures. You can browse the pictures and you can place the picture inside this box. Now the second method is all about, so I already placed my picture over here. Just click it, or you can just copy this, just use Ctrl C. Now go to the image format. Here is the option called picture and gradient, textures. Here is the option called clipboard. So select this and place this clipboard. So automatically the picture get placed inside your shape. So any shape which you want to make, you can create a shapes and you can insert the pictures whatever part you need. So let's go for this point. So I'm just going to take a circle. Now I'm just going to take copy second picture. I'm just going to paste it here. Right, select this object, go to the shape format, picture. Now select this picture, copy. Now select this, clipboard paste. Now you can delete this. So this is how your options work in PowerPoint. So next is, I want to change the shape. So I don't like this shape, I want to edit it. So do I want to repeat it again? No, not required. So you don't want to draw the shape again. There is option to edit the shape. Just click on the shape format. Okay, so there is a shape format. So once you click on the shape format, so you can go directly to your edit shape. So there are change shape. So now you can change the shape as per your requirements. So these are the way you can edit whatever the shape you want. So again I'm doing, so you can change the shapes. So this way it is very helpful to make a presentation in such a manner, very easy with shapes and pictures. Okay, next part which you want to know is your icons. So here default icons are available in Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can select whichever icons you want. You can change the colors. So example, you want some buildings, so select some buildings, insert. So icon are ready. So you want to change the color, just go and change the graphic colors. So you can add it in such a simple manner. So I hope this is interesting for you. The next part is 3D models, much more interesting for 3D models. So here again, it is also ask you from the device, if you also have some 3D files, you can add some 3D files. If not, you can go to online, that is stock. From here you can download some or insert some 3D pictures. For example, you have some furnitures, you want to add this picture, just you can add that 3D picture inside your slide. Okay, so now you can see the 3D pictures which can be added inside your slide. So n number of pictures are there. You can go and practice. You can see n number of objects are available in online. So you can download from here or you can save from here all the shapes. So you want to add some pictures, add it. So you want to change it as a space presentation, you can do that also over here. So right, so after this you want to know smart charts. So let's see this. So you can see how beautiful it is. So you can have some 3D images. Okay, So now you want to animate this, so that's also very easy. So you change the background. So let's go for changing the background. So let's put some colors, or sorry, solid colors. Okay, so let's put some black. Okay, so now I want to animate this, so you can animate this also. So last part I showed you some animation, right? So here also you can do this part. So you can add a path, you can add this image, so you can add some transitions. So how to animate, so right, so 3D animations are there, so you can do this part. So you can see this. So these are some interesting effects. You can go in deep, so you can see a fly in. So n number of options are there. So it's much interesting to do it, but little bit effort and time is required to make this kind of images. Okay, so you can also have path, so you can have some custom path. So add that custom path. So you can see now custom path is created. So this is how the custom paths are created. You can create some animations, and which is going to be interesting for your presentation. Okay, so the next part which you want to go ahead is smart art. So what is smart art? So smart art will be helpful if you have some quick graphical appearance of text. So then smart art is required. So you can see some hierarchies, relations, or matrix form, or list form, or flow chart type. So all this can be done through this part. So you want to categorize something of a kind of sequence, or honeycombing structures, or hexagonal part, or tables. Okay, so these are the things you want to show some pyramid, matrix, relations. So all these are things we can show in smart art. So how to do this? So you can create a simple word text. So you can just create a box. So I'm going to create hello, and I'm just going to take hello 1, hello 2, and hello 3. So these are some 3 words I have taken. So out of this I'm just going to make a small modification here. So I'm just going to push this with 1 tab. Again, this is going to be pushed with 1 tab. So just select this, convert, right click, you can select this, and you can just right click it, you can convert into smart art. So over here, if you see, the options will be available. You can convert this into smart art. So go for your select, just go for smart art. Sorry, I didn't select the text. Okay, so go here for smart art. Now you can see that it's converted into smart art. So this way it can be created in different type of smart arts. So you can change the colors, whatever the colors you need, you can do the colors. So I hope this will be helpful for you making some good content. So you can add second content. So similarly you can add a word. So click this. So you can add enter. You can have hello 4 here and hello 5 here. Right, so this way we can add your smart art part. Okay, so next, as you are aware about charts, so similarly you can go for charts. What are the charts you want to create? Pie chart, bar charts. So you can create it and you can add the data over here in the directly. For this we can have some help of Excel sheets. So what are the Excel sheets data you have? You can cut and copy and paste it. Right, so I hope today you might be learned something new about animations and master slide and how to create and set up pictures. So these are the things which you should be learned in master slide. So once you're done with the master slide, your presentation is much easy, right? So thank you for watching today. We'll be meeting next week again with new content. Thank you.